life of a sea turtle starts out in a tropical beach buried underneath the sand in a nice warm nest. Sea turtles are reptiles, and like most reptiles, they lay eggs. In fact, a lot of eggs, around 100 eggs, can be found in a single nest. Did you know that the gender of a sea turtle is determined by temperature? The relatively colder eggs near the perimeter of the nest tend to develop into males, while the warmer eggs towards the inside of the nest tend to develop into females. After about 50 to 60 days in the nest, the babies hatch out of the leathery eggs using special egg tubes, and it can take up to a week to accomplish. From the moment baby sea turtles emerge out of the sand, their instincts tell them to scurry as fast as they can to the ocean, and for good reason. There are plenty of animals waiting to feast on little turtle hatchlings. For this reason, most choose to emerge at night, when there are fewer predators around. However, Kemp Ridley sea turtles choose to emerge during daylight, which makes them the most vulnerable to predators. These include crabs, who snatch the little turtles back to their burrows, and even seabirds, who sweep down and pick off the helpless turtles. This has made Kemp Ridley the most endangered of all sea turtles. The baby hatchlings seek out the waves to begin their lives in the open ocean. There are 7 different species of sea turtles. The leatherback sea turtle is the biggest of them all, and hold the records for longest and deepest dives. They can be easily distinguished by their leathery ridged shell. On the other hand, all other sea turtle species have shells covered with scutes, which are plates of keratin with the same material that makes up human fingernails. Loggerhead sea turtles have large heads with big crushing jaws, from munching on large shellfish such as crabs. Green sea turtles, as the name suggests, are green from eating their preferred food source such as green seagrasses. Even their fat and muscles are green. Hawksbill sea turtles, as the name also suggests, have pointed, hard beaks like hawks that are perfect for scraping off sea sponges and corals. Flatback sea turtles eat a wide range of organisms, including jellyfish. About 10 to 50 years after they have hatched, dependent on the species, female sea turtles will migrate thousands of miles, sometimes even crossing entire oceans, to lay their eggs usually on the same beach that they themselves hatched. Once they have located a perfect spot on the sandy beach, the females will begin the exhaustive task of digging up a nest using their hind flippers, laying their numerous eggs, and then refilling the nest with sand. One of the largest breeding events in the world occurs along the Pacific and Atlantic coasts of Mexico and Central America. All at once, around 50,000 Kemp Ridley and Olive Ridley sea turtles will swarm a beach to lay their eggs. This is known as arribada, the word for arrival in Spanish. Sea turtles are a conservation icon. Not only do very few of them survive to adulthood due to natural causes, but also from human causes like accidental captures in fishing lines, and from ingesting or tangling in plastic products. Kemp Ridley and Hawksbill are critically endangered, loggerhead and green are endangered, Olive Ridley and leatherback are vulnerable, and the flatback is data deficient.